Good to see all you guys. So, first thing, thanks for all the girls doing the contest. Really appreciate it. Everybody looks awesome. Super hard decision. So, also hard decision picking out these cars. There's so many awesome cars out here. You guys just step it up every year with bringing better and better cars. It's awesome. So, as long as you guys keep showing up, we'll keep having a car show. So, got a 50-50 worth $368. Everybody get their ticket out. If nobody claims it, it's probably the one in my pocket. I'm just gonna take it. It's the number 0047565.
That's mine.
Anybody? Oh man, look at this guy. Nice, good job. So I also just want to thank all the volunteers, which is pretty much everybody that works at the shop, all these young ladies and men, except for Billy, he's pretty old. But and their family too, their wives and husbands, for letting them put in about 24 hours in the last day and a half. So takes a lot of work to get the shop all cleaned up, so I appreciate that, guys. So anyway, let's give away some trophies. See if I got my list here. All right, this first handmade trophy, I gotta add, I really thank Kay this year. She made pretty much all of these trophies. She did an awesome job. She's a phenomenal craftsman and welder at the shop. She's probably the best welder we got here. She's awesome. So if you guys see these trophies and see Kay out walking around right here, this one, tell her they're awesome. So they are awesome. Anyway, first trophy, sponsored by Oselka Construction, is going to car number 108. It's a 48 Ford F1, Robert Harris. I don't know if you guys seen this truck, but it is absolutely beautiful. So I was trying to find something wrong with it, and I can't find it. It's a nice truck. I don't know where he's at, but. 108.
Bingo!
Yeah.
Bingo!
Beautiful truck. Thank you. Stick around for a little bit. We're going to take some awesome photographs.
We're going to meet in that break room where there's tables.
Who wants to hear Ricky Tanner come up and sing one more song? Also, you guys, everybody that wins a trophy, after this we're going to meet in the break room and coordinate which girl's going to line up with the car. So the room with the lunch tables in it and the beer. All right, next trophy, sponsored by our friends at Corvette Central, goes to car number 110 to 68 C10, Sherry Carpenter. Oh, I'm sorry. Good job.
Awesome!
All right, next trophy, sponsored by our friends at Lane Automotive, who donated a lot of cool stuff to this show. We thank them a lot. They really take good care of us up there. This goes to car number 35, 1947 International pickup truck right up front. Larry Brooks. So many awesome trucks out here this year, you guys. All right, here we go. All right, next trophy, sponsored by Lakeshore Die Casting, goes to our buddy Scott Mcgee, number 40, 31 Model A. When you own a business like Scott, you can just go buy these perfect hot rods.
What a dig.
All right, this trophy sponsor, we owe a lot of thanks to this year because I got myself in a little bit of trouble with getting overambitious and fixing the holes in the driveway and ripping up the concrete. And I thank Max for having a strong back. But this guy came in and bailed us out when the asphalt guy told me to pound sand and told me to figure it out. So I made a call to my buddy Jeff, and he came out the next couple days and hooked us up with some awesome concrete work. So we, Max and I went to a concert the night before, and we left Flint, Michigan about 3:30 in the morning to get here to help. And he seen what shape we were in, and he says, you know, it's probably gonna cost you more if you guys help, so just kind of hang out and let me do it. So thanks, Jeff. Workman Concrete, anybody needs any work, he's the man. So this one's going to car number 75. It's a 29 Chevy. Mike Gardner. This thing's cool. It looks fast, and it is fast, and Mike beats the shit out of this thing. Next trophy, also sponsored by Lakeshore Die Casting, goes to one of Mike's buddies, car number 85. It's a 70 Vega, Rick Keel. It's the one that made the killer entrance coming in with the blower. It sounded awesome. All right, this next trophy, sponsored by Micro Auto Group in Grand Rapids, goes to a cool car that showed up a little later, but really simple, really traditional, really plain, awesome build. Bill Pfeiffer, car number 76, 40 Ford, sitting right out front. Is Bill coming?
Yep. That was late. Sorry.
Way delayed.
All right, we'll have it up here for you, Bill. All right, next trophy. This is kind of a special trophy, you guys. I don't know if you guys seen these, but this is a pretty cool one. Kind of inspired me late one night. I might get a little choked up talking about this. But our buddy Joey at Gouger Race Engines, since Billy and I moved in here and started building hot rods, we knew the Gougers, and they've been helping us out. And this is a memorial trophy for Big Joe. that passed away earlier this year, and goes to Best Engine, and it goes to Tom Duty with the awesome Riviera with the nailhead in it, the 63, car number 100. Tom has been killing it with trophies everywhere he goes. This thing got picked for, here, Tom, why don't you come and read the list of trophies you've won the last couple weeks. Dave Kindig personally picked this car a couple weeks ago.
Well, we started out in Detroit. We didn't do so good there.
What is Detroit?
We got a custom, outstanding custom, 2 times Chicago and Indianapolis. Went to Nashville, good guys, got a Bobby Alloway Pros pick. Went to Iowa, got a Custom Ride of the Year finalist. We went to Norwalk, got a Dave Kindig out of 3,000 cars. They only give 1 award, and I didn't even know that. I was shocked.
All right.
All right, that's enough. That's too many trophies for one guy to have. No, that thing is awesome. They're one of my favorite cars here. So, next trophy. Oh, and check this out. It's made out of a turbo housing. How appropriate. I don't even know who this sponsor is. Do you guys know who this is? Gentry Capital.
John Woods.
Oh, Mr. Woods, our buddy Mr. Woods. Sorry, John. Ah. I hope you still send me a check after I botched that. Anyway, John's got the, well, I gotta tell a little bit more about John's other business. He's involved with a little company called Jags Automotive. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that or not, but yeah. So John's got the 70 Chevelle that we're doing in the body shop that's not quite done, that he's going to be kind of pissed about. But anyway, this trophy's sponsored by our buddy John, and it's going to car number 45. It's a 1959 Apache truck sitting out front in green, slammed on the ground. Bryant Goldstone. You guys probably recognize that name too. He always does pretty good at this show when he shows up. There he is. Love that truck, man. All right, next trophy. Another trophy sponsored by Micro Auto Group. And this goes to, oh, I'm sorry, yeah. That one we already gave away. Way to go, Max. All right. This killer paint trophy sponsored by our buddies at Cornwell. It's got the tool truck. So if you guys break anything leaving, need to fix it, go see the Cornwell guy. He'll hook you up. This is car number 148. It's a 1966 Nova Henry Braddock. The Nicky Chevrolet car sitting out front. Love you, Henry. Good job, good job. Henry, how many cars did you bring out today?
2. 18.
One guy brought 18 cars. Thank you so much for coming out, Henry. They're all awesome. Next trophy, sponsored by David's Deli in town. Awesome little deli coffee shop that turns into a little lounge at night. So, what is it, after 6 o'clock, they start serving some super serious drinks. So, this goes to a little bit kind of a different kind of car, but we all liked it. We thought it was really cool. car number 89, a 1960 Vespa. It's about a third of the size of anything else here, over here. So, yeah, trophy probably weighs more than the car. You're going to want to centrally locate that trophy in the thing driving home so it doesn't flip over. Rob Gearing.
Oh, that's
It's something a little different.
I know I might have to.
Directly straight over. All right.
Thank you.
And last but not least, sponsored by our buddies at Treecore that brought the crane out this year and the 75-foot American flag, which is awesome. That is probably the coolest thing that I've seen all weekend, honestly. People can see it from both directions, no matter where they come, they know where to stop. So, thank you, Joe Carr, Treecore.
All right.
So, this goes to a guy that's usually car number 1 every year, but this year somebody beat him out. Car number 2, Bud Adams, the 1952 Tin Woody, out by the road. Thank you. Well, that's all we got, guys. I hope you stick around and hang out a little longer. And for those of you that leave, don't be dangerous, but the mosquitoes are bad, so we might need a little smoke in the air. Yeah, watch out for the neighbors down that way. They've usually been pretty good. And Mark, I turned your nitrous bottle off, so no funny business. Hey, we're gonna hear one more song. Come on, we got an encore. No, thanks Ricky Tanner and all the guys. You guys sound awesome.
Maybe first. Then we'll talk.
Yeah.